Hey friends, let's create a retro text effect. Just go to your effects library, grab a text plus, put it above your footage and make it yellow. And I'm writing retro text effect. Make it a little bit bigger and put it to the right side, just because. And then I'm going to throw a mosaic blur on it. So I go to the effects library, go to OpenFX, look for the mosaic blur, close the effects library, go to the settings in the effects in the inspector, and then I can play with the settings here. And because we don't want to blur, we can go to advanced controls and check hold cells only. And then it will make our effect, our text a little bit more clean and retro. We can still choose different fonts. Can just change them. We will have to change also the pixel frequency, but this is the way we create the retro effect on our titles. So I hope this helps. Have a great day ahead. Have fun with the rest of this playlist and goodbye.